How to fix DoorDash won't let me double dash. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the App Store of a device, search for DoorDash, and then move into it. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version of the application DoorDash, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In the space, search for DoorDash application and then move into it. Now click on Offload app and then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It should also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you will be good to go. Well, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is move into Safari. In the search bar, search for DoorDash customer service. In here, head over to any of the site. Once you're on the official page of customer service of DoorDash, there you will be able to chat with them by logging into your account. State all the problem that you have been facing and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.